come with me to Jamaica. Y'all, I am so excited about this trip. I've been counting down since December and the day has finally arrived. We are going to Jamaica today. So my day started super early, made it to the airport, did my little check-in, did my baggage tag, all that good stuff. Y'all know how the airport goes. And I was actually quite surprised at how busy the airport was. I wasn't expecting it to be busy in February because it's not March break or anything, but whatever. We made it through security and it was almost time to board. Here's my cute little fit check. This two-piece set is from Old Navy, was super cute. And shout out to the security agent who told me that my outfit looked cute. Hi girl. But anyways, we boarded the plane and we're sitting on the plane and I just can't wait for this pilot to land this plane. Okay, pilot, hurry up and drive the plane, reach quick and fast. But surprisingly, he actually did make up time in the air and we landed in Jamaica early. We landed like 30 minutes early, which was so exciting. So you know what I'm saying? Plane land, everybody start clap. We're super excited. I get through customs, get my baggage, and we're here. We're in Kingston, Jamaica. So now that we reached, we can't throw like a pot swap on or no, but yeah, we leave Kingston. You know, so the first stop we have to make, we have to go to KFC for little chicken and fries, like a fried chicken, like a two-piece spicy. Yeah, we secured the goods at KFC and then we headed on the toll and headed into good, cool Mandeville. And as usual, Mandeville full of traffic, Mandeville full of people. Nothing can change about Mandeville. But anyway, we got through Mandeville, had to make a quick little pit stop at the bank because I like to do all my business in cash in Jamaica because when I like when I want to buy something, many people might tell me that the card machine now works. So you know what I'm saying? You have to go to the bank, pull out some cash, and then on my way home, I did get a coconut because there in Jamaica, I have to get like a fresh coconut, like a good coconut water. But yeah, y'all, here is the start of my Jamaica vlog. I'm going to be vlogging every single day, so make sure you guys tune in, make sure you guys follow me, make sure you guys stay tuned for the Jamaica vlog. Bye!